Hey guys, today I'm going to create two looks using Blue Moon palette by Colourpop, and now you can see some swatches and the pictures of the palette because those colors are really hard to catch on camera, and I wanted you to know how the colors look on swatches. So now I'm going to create my first look. And the first step is that I use concealer when I want to cut my crease, because it's the easiest way for me to do it. Now I use the shade Glued In for my inner and outer corner. I apply it on the concealer in inner and outer corner, on my eyes, of course. Now I use Mad About You dark blue shimmer, and I cover the matte with the shimmer to deepen the effect. And now I'm applying shade Tight Pull in the center of the lid. I used a little bit of concealer before this step, but I forgot to film this. And I applied concealer and then the shade Tight Pull in the center of the lid. Now I mix three shades, Fine China, Starry Eyes and Moonlight, and I apply it on the top of my lid. I expected this to be lighter, but it's okay. Fine China is a little bit darker than I expected. Now I use Glued In on my lower lash line. And now I applied Fine China also on my lower lash line, but from the inner side. They look extremely similar to each other on the eyes. Now I apply shade Lumi in the inner corner to highlight it. This is a beautiful shade. Now you can't see the full effect, but it is like a white base with beautiful blue sparkles. And this is the finished look with a mascara, and I also added a thin line on my lash line, in black shadow on my lash line and the mascara. Mascara is Catrice Iconista. And now let's move on to the second look. First shade I use is the Body. It's a really hard shade. It's very hard pressed, and it's really difficult to build it up. Now I use Fine China in my outer corner and on the lower lash line from the outside. They look beautiful together. The shade The Body is really beautiful, but it's not really the best formula, unfortunately. Now I use also The Body, and I apply it on the inner portion of the lower lash line. Now it's time for the shade Billie Jean, I love it, and I apply it as the shimmer. And also I used Lumi in the inner corner. And this is the finished look with mascara and a little bit of black shadow on my lash line and upper lash line. I think this look is... I like this look better than the first one. It's turned out really nice, and I love this color combination. Here we have my two eyes. I created one eye look on one eye and the other eye look on the other eye. And now you can see some camera shots of me with my two different eyes. Thank you guys for watching. You can subscribe to my channel if you want, like this video, watch the rest of my videos on this channel, and you can also hit the bell to be notified about my next videos, and see you guys later. Bye guys!